Hi, we'll discuss about the program how to find out the square root of the given number. Firstly, a square root of a number is a value that when multiplied by itself equal to the original number. That means, for example, the square root of 16 is 4, and when it multiplied by itself, for example here 4 into 4 equal to 16 equals the original number. The symbol for square root is this one, which always represents the positive square root. Here you can see various numbers which is having their square roots. Here number 1, square root of 1 is 1. Number 2, square root of 2 equal to 1.414. Square root of 3 equal to 1.732. 4, 2, 5, 2.23, 6, 2.44. We'll use exponent operator like this, 2 stars, to find out the square root. Now we will write a program in Visual Studio Code editor. New file, Python file. Let it take num equal to 4. So this one is the data. So how to find out square root? So we'll take one more variable, square root num equal to num, by using exponent operator like this, 0.5. This is the expression. So by using this we can get square root number. Let us see the print statement. Print square root of the number is square root. Format num square root of num. So we'll execute and see the result. So for num4 square root, what is the square root for num4? 2. We will have to get the result 2. This one. We'll execute and see. Done. We'll save it. Yeah, you can see the square root of the 4 is 2.0. Likewise, you can change your number here. Let us say 100. For 100, what is the square root? It should give 10. We'll run it. And the square root of 100 is 10.0. Next, we'll try to give 625. So what is the square root of 625? We should get the result 25. 25 square equal to 625. Yeah, the square root of the 625 is 25.0. Okay. That's all for this video.